Hello everyone and welcome to WPUX. In this video I'm going to give you an overview of the Legal Pages plugin and show you how to use it. So first, let's begin with the installation. To install the plugin, navigate to WordPress admin dashboard, plugins, add new and search for WP Legal Pages. Install the one created by WPUX and activate the plugin. Upon activation, you'll see a new Legal Pages entry. Click on the settings and you'll see a disclaimer. Click on the checkbox and then accept. Fill in the general information so the legal templates that we'll be creating in a moment can fetch the field values using these shortcodes. Make sure to hit the Save button. You can also see the Miscellaneous Settings tab. Here you can set if you want to exclude legal pages from the search result. Also, if you want to remove plugins data upon the plugin removal. Click Save. And to add a new legal page, click on the Add New Legal Page button. Give your page a name and click on a template from the right sidebar. Just clicking on it will insert the template, and all the general information that we filled in at the beginning will be inserted automatically. You can edit the template and add more information if required, and then make sure to save the page. Once you save the page will be created successfully. This is how you create a page. Now what if you want to edit the templates? To edit a template, navigate to Legal Page Templates and just click on the Edit button. You can edit here, and these shortcodes will be replaced by the field values from the general information. So it is important that you fill in the general information from the settings. And to create a new template, just click on the Add New Legal Page Template to add your own templates. So you can customize your legal page template here, add more information, use the WP editor and customize it however you want. And to access all your legal pages, just click on the All Legal Pages and you'll see all of your legal pages here. And to display the pages, just copy the shortcode and create a new page or paste it on any existing page. So let me just create a new page and show you one of the legal page. Just paste the code and publish it. And let's take a look at the page. Now we have a template. So these are the features that you can use in the free version. The free version has 4 templates, but in the pro version there are 26 more templates. And apart from the templates, if you upgrade to the pro version, you'll get access to more exciting features, like you can create cookie agreement bar, you can create pop-ups, and of course 26 legal page templates. So I've installed the pro version just to give you an idea of the pop-ups and the cookie bar. So to add a pop-up, just click on the pop-up, and to add a new pop-up, just click on the Add New Pop-up and choose the template. So as you can see, the shortcodes have been replaced by the field values, and just click on the Save Pop-up. And so the pop-up has been saved. To display it, just copy the shortcode and paste it on the page. Now let's take a look at the cookie bar. To enable the feature, just click on the Yes button and you can set the position. There are a few customization options, so customize it and hit Save Changes. So now let's take a look at the site, and we have the cookie bar on our website. So that's a quick overview of the two pro features. There are some more legal page templates. So now you have an idea of the legal pages plugin. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.